Hi, I'm Sheila Marcello, founder and CEO of Care.com. We know how
You want
important
to
it
put
is
the
to find
crimp
right
and bead
center
on
for your
first.
kids. That's why we offer access to in-depth profiles, background checks, and reviews. So when you can't be there, you can make sure someone amazing can. Join free today to get started. Care.com.
Next, you want to open
Think your toothpaste is working?
a hoop
This shows your plaque germs?
to put on the clasp.
Yep, Germ City.
You want to see a Colgate total now? Yes. See?
To open it, you hold part of it with one pair of tweezers
Start fighting germs for
and the
12
other
hours.
part with another
One
pair.
of the most beloved stories of all time. Will you?
Snow White. Snow
Then
White.
you just
Is
twist.
coming to life in the
Sorry, this
motion
part is kind of
picture event
difficult.
of the year.
Do you want to hear it?
This spring, in an enchanted kingdom where anything is possible,
I will not fight a bunch of dwarfs. You're minuscule.
something funny is going on. Mirror, mirror, rated PG, in theaters March 30th. The Lorax is here at IHOP.
You want to make
Adults
sure
love the
that's
Lorax's
nice and
ingredients ham
tightly
with fluffy whole
closed.
wheat pancakes. Kids will love pancakes and crispy waffle cones with blueberry topping.
Here you go.
Ooh, seeds.
Now you want to put it on after the crimp bead.
I don't mind if I do.
Let's make a difference and plant 3 million new trees.
Now you have to put it through the crimp bead, but not through the clasp
I'm
again.
good about washing my face, but sometimes I wonder what's left behind. Purifying facial cleanser from Neutrogena Naturals removes 99% of dirt and toxins without dyes, parabens, or harsh sulfates, so skin feels pure and healthy from Neutrogena Naturals. Shop Kmart and save Friday through Monday during our President's Day sale. Get up to 75% off winter apparel. Plus, Shop Your Way Rewards members earn $10 in points with purchases of $50 or more. Not a member?
You want to make
Sign up
sure
for
that
free
the
at
crimp bead
Kmart
is
or
nice and
Kmart.com.
close to the hoop.
Happy President's Day from Nick.
Then you
Now
can
back
just
to the show.
press it down, like so. And that is how you start a bracelet or necklace.